The UKG Math Worksheets pack, which covers complete 1 year UKG syllabus, like identification of numbers from 1 to 100, number names, before, after, then shapes, 2D, 3D, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So the entire course is covered in this one. Let's unbox it. So this comes with a stationery set. Then these are the rewarding stickers. Whenever a child is finishing a worksheet, you can give a rewarding sticker on the top. So we have given the knowledge sheet for each topic. So whenever you're introducing a concept to the child, you can have this knowledge sheet in their room. So suppose this number chart is 1 to 100, and then on the back side is 101 to 200. So when they will start this concept, you can first introduce with the knowledge sheet, and then these are the practice worksheets, which you can keep doing. Now when it comes to ascending and descending order, again we have a knowledge sheet for this one, and then the practice worksheet. So we have given enough practice worksheets with it. Same way we will go to the number name. So these are the knowledge sheet for them. You can stick it in their room, and then you're good to go. They can keep practicing. So this way we have given knowledge sheet for each and every concept. Like this is addition, then this is 2 digit, 1 digit, subtraction, number line, and multiple ways to do everything. And each activity sheet is different. Like someone has coloring one, some has cut and paste, some has some fun way to do it. So then again, this is for greater than and less than, concepts are covered. Then this is for the shapes knowledge sheet. Then this is for time. And these are pretty thick worksheets. So if you will see, these are pretty thick ones. So you can erase it and reuse it. If it's a cut and paste worksheet, we have kept the other side blank so that they can cut and paste and use it. Like this is the one for repeated addition. So they have to find out 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So this one is here. So they have to cut and paste this box and paste it over here.